What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you the best cheap mod that you can do to your BMW E90 or E91. All you need is this red tint and some razor blade. I cleaned the taillights first so it sticks better. The tint is going to make it look like LCI model. I decided to start with the corner. The tint has protective film over it, so you can peel it off. You wanna start by going from one side to the other side. Then you can just cut the tint. And just peel it off. Now you wanna be really careful, don't apply too much pressure or you will scratch your taillight. I just popped the bubbles so they are less noticeable. Then I just cut the edges. Now I just have to repeat the process on the other side. You can do second layer if you wanna make it darker. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. And that's it for today's video. See you next time.